channel. It's a real pleasure for me to meet you here again. Today it's time for me to wash my hair. It's time for me to apply a new hair mask, and because of this I decided to share this super extremely nourishing moisturizing hair growth hair mask with you. I want to share it with you because I personally find this type of information, this type of videos, this type of articles, if I read them somewhere, super interesting and super useful. So I really hope that you all like it and you can apply it. And I can promise you, I can't tell you for what amount of time, but I can definitely promise you that you will be able to regrow your hair in a kind of a no more than couple of months. You are going to see such an enormous, ridiculous difference. In a couple of my other videos where I'm doing a hair mask, I've mentioned, and I can mention again, that I got a kind of a problems with my hair, actually hair fallout problems, since I gave birth to my kids. Yeah, my hair started falling like awful. Then one of a sudden my kids started joking with me, "Mom, isn't it time for you to start wearing wig, because otherwise you are just not gonna have any hair." So yeah, I started using lots of different oils, lots of different hair masks, and I was completely able to regrow my hair. Now it looks kind of super messy and super blah, blah, blah. I didn't do my hair for about 2 days. Yeah, just a ponytail or just any quick tail. But I can promise you, according to my personal experience, that this is really working, and you can just try it. It's nothing unhealthy. It's just everything is just 100% pure, cold pressed, like natural career oils. Like this is just an aloe vera 100% gel. One of my colleagues, she brought it for me from Lanzarote, yeah, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, let's get started. Let's jump into the hair mask. Today I'm going to be using 3 super simple ingredients. You can read all the information about them. I just want to share this with you, how I'm gonna mix them. I never ever measure any hair mask. I don't know, I just know what is the necessarily amount for my hair, but you can just try. This is a castor oil. This is super extremely nourishing, super extremely healthful oil for your hair. You can read thousands and thousands of articles of information about this oil, where it says perfect for the treatment of brittle, dry or damaged hair. It is good for skin. Anyway, I'm gonna use it for my hair. Yeah, so the other thing that I'm gonna use is this super old bottle. Yeah, it looks like I just got a couple of drops still left here. This is a rosemary oil, Rosemary Essential Oil. This oil is so good as well for your hair growth, for your scalp, just to massage it, like kind of give it a super warmth massage to your scalp, and you will feel the difference immediately. I really hope that no one of you is allergic to any of those oils, because I think that they can give certain allergies, but you can read some more information about this. Of course, you have to try it here in the inner part of your palm just to see if there is any reaction, and according to my experience and my opinion, you don't have to use more than 2 to 3 drops of it. It's absolutely enough. And the last thing that I'm gonna use is this aloe vera gel, 100%. This is just, or if you have aloe vera plant, you just can cut it, you just can squeeze it. I got an aloe vera plant outside in the garden, but I think that it's still quite small plant, so I'm not gonna be able to squeeze a huge amount. So because of this, I will use this. I'm not so sure, is it helping a lot, as a lot of people are saying that it's helping a lot. I can't see that there is such an amazing difference, but I used to use it because it's super hydrating. Anyway, so yeah, I will show you. This is my the bowl that I'm using to dye my hair. I'm just gonna squeeze like certain amount of it, like this, if you can see, or if I can see it properly, let's say that it is about 3 tablespoons. Okay, let's say 3 tablespoons. Then aloe vera gel, let's say just about 5 pumps of it. Or if we need to measure them like with the tablespoons, let's say about, okay, let's say 2 tablespoons of it. And as I already told you, 2 to 3 drops of essential oil. 1, 2, 3. Up. I love the smell of rosemary oil. You can't read actually what it is, but I know what it is. Now, everything that we have to do is to blend them. I'm using my fingers. I don't have enough time to use any particular tools or whatever it is. Look, it became white. And I will show you at the end when I finish the application. Oh, okay, I don't need my sleeves. When I finish the application here, I will show you what I used to apply till the end of my hair, because I personally feel it's super, like I feel my hair is super healthy after applying it. So I'm just gonna grab this amount. Oh. I really hope it's not gonna go to the entire carpet. Just simply split it between my hands and start applying it into my hair. And by the way, I just forgot to mention, like I mentioned in every single video when I use a castor oil, it is super thick oil. Like, if I need to be honest, it's not the most comfortable thing to apply in your hair, because it's like pulling out your hair, but because it is healthy for your hair, it's giving your hair such a, I don't know exactly how to explain it, like a it's giving you like a vitality to your hair. I'm sure you like this. I'm gonna just simply apply here, and then like separate the hair once again. Okay, so when I'm ready, I'm gonna make a wonderful, nice massage to my scalp. Like this, to warm up my scalp a little bit. If you want, at the end, when you finish with your mask, you can put any hair towel or any bath towel just to warm up the process a little bit, but I don't do this. I'm just gonna make a ponytail or any bun. Okay, so I'm ready with the application of the main mask, but I'm not gonna leave my hair like this. So what I used to do every single time before washing my hair is just a super simple and super basic coconut oil, like it is 100% raw, organic, extra virgin. It does not require any special preparation, just grab it from the jar. Simply massage, like to warm it up to become a little bit more liquidish, and simply apply it till the end of my hair. I use conditioner as well, or any hair masks as well, but I never ever skip the steps with my oils. I'm just obsessed to the oils. I think that my hair is obsessed to oils as well. As you can see, yeah, super oily hair. Then I'm gonna just use this kind of how much hair? This kind of rubber elastic. I'm gonna make this super simple bun, and I could suggest you to stay with these oils on your hair as much as you can, as much as possible. But because now, for example, I don't have where to go, it's kind of a night time, I just have to edit one video for tomorrow, so probably I will stay with this mask until dinner time, so I have about 1 hour. This is gonna be absolutely fine. I think that the minimum time to stay with those oil masks is about half an hour. It is the minimum time, but it is already enough. If you stay longer, I think that it's more beneficial for you and for your hair. So yeah, I really hope that you like this video. I really hope that you like this mask. If you are doing it at home, or if you're using any other oils, I will be so happy if you link them down below. If you leave me any comment, any other suggestions, we just may communicate, we just may share different recipes, different natural remedies, which I am obsessed of. Yeah, so thank you so much once again for watching, and I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye!
With me, don't look back. I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see. We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side. Or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks and I be